admire amazing machines, enjoy crazy moments captured vividly, and hear special sounds you've never imagined. These powerful wood chipper machines not only eliminate waste, but also turn it into valuable resources. See how quickly and accurately the crane positions, when every movement is carefully calculated. Each operation is designed to maximize productivity, meeting tight schedules. This combination of performance and precision increases efficiency in every wood manufacturing process. Green Tech. Piranha Stump Grinder is a powerful and effective tool designed to process tree stumps quickly and easily. With deep and powerful grinding capabilities, the machine helps remove tree stumps without causing much trouble. The IMT 558 is a great tractor for rural households. Although compact and economical, it is powerful enough to handle serious agricultural work with the ability to work efficiently over an area of 10 to 15 hectares. This tractor offers the perfect balance between performance and efficiency. The IMT 558 is the ideal choice for those who need a reliable tool that is both powerful and cost-effective. Let's wait! The sound you've been waiting for is about to ring out. If you're looking for a wood splitter that can handle anything you throw at it, look no further than the Kerpency H32. This amazing product boasts a splitting force of up to 31 tons, helping you say goodbye to hard and difficult to handle logs. With its massive chopping capacity, smooth hydraulic system, and even comes with a convenient firewood table, the Kerpency H32 will make work easier and more efficient than ever. With this machine, you'll be the envy of your neighbors and have enough firewood to prove it. Check this out, a homemade frame, a tractor engine, and a circular saw blade frame. Now you have a mobile sawmill. Although the safety issue may be a bit uncertain, let me tell you, this guy can create incredibly precise and strong wooden blocks like no one else can. Let's defeat the stubborn tree trunk together. Do you think they can do it? In hot weather up to 40 degrees. You can almost feel the satisfaction of seeing a job well done. It is the result of years of hard work, intense focus, and great skill. They all come together in this moment when they conquer the challenge. This is the perfect testament to why we always admire professionals like them. This SG75 with trim strip is a true beast. The tree stumps disappeared as if by magic. It was truly impossible to look away. I can sit and watch it all day without getting bored. How about you? Does this excite you as much as I do? Hi, buddy. That's the weekend. That's a boss. Really makes you stop and reflect. The hidden dangers in transporting wood cannot be overlooked. Their work is essential, but the price to pay is not small. That reminds us to always appreciate the dedication of these workers. The new commander sets a boss. Due to its large size, drilling rigs and equipment are needed for this job, not transported via the more single construction route, but brought to the construction site by a station's plane. This is done under the supervision of traffic controllers. Part of the process of transporting the reactor from Cleve to its final destination, Shanghai. While really worth watching, it's unclear why there are such large excavators in the city. The process of breaking a high-rise building with a Cat 336 machine. Nice to see this machine. It's John Kelly's ex-heavy truck in Australia.